Hello guys, I'm Surbhi and this is lesson 3 of our beginners Mandala series. In previous two lessons we talked about basic shapes and how you can make your own patterns. And in this video I'll show you some very simple and basic center designs. So today I am showing you 5 very simple and basic center fillers you can use in your mandala. And these patterns are especially for beginners. Now let's begin. So I have already drawn 5 circles. Now I'll show you very simple patterns. So firstly I am making a design in the circle like this, and then we will fill the complete circle with black pen. So this is the first very basic pattern. And instead of this you can use very simple thing. You can just fill the complete circle with black. So these are very simple patterns I am sharing. If you want you can change these according to you. So now I'll just show you how you can draw all these patterns. So let's continue. Now these patterns are completed. So these are some very simple and basic center fillers you can use in your mandalas. So in the next lesson, I'll show you how you can draw grid 4 mandala. So stay connected for the next lesson and tell me in the comments if you find these patterns easy. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.